Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and this is Crazy Tech 102 guys. So guys, in today's video we want to look at how to make a 12-volt generator, as you can see, that can power DC brushless fan. And this is brushless fan guys. So follow up guys and see how we build this. Thank you. So guys, this is our project. As you can see, this is our battery, 6-volt battery in series, 3.7-volt battery in series, and here is the negative, as you can see, and this is the positive. Was connected to the switch and was connected here, the red wire, and here is our output guys. So we are using this 12-volt DC brushless fan to test it and see maybe this our generator will carry it. So let's test it guys. This is the positive, and the black wire was connected to the black wire of the brushless DC fan. So as you can see guys, 12 volts. So let me on it guys. As you can see, it is working. Please subscribe to my channel. So guys, we want to test it with this light and see maybe this thing will work. So let's test it guys. So we want to test this light, so let me on it. As you can hear the sound without load. please subscribe to my channel.